Hi Annie, I appreciate you dropping in today. Annie's one of our loyal customers here at CBD American Shaman, and today we're going to be talking about the facial products, body care. It's so important. It is the largest organ in the body. Dr. Bob, could you tell us about skincare and how well our products work?
Well, the skin has an endocannabinoid system just like the rest of the body. And because of aging and things happen with our endocannabinoid system and other places in our cell that is affected by the endocannabinoid system, such that we experience various signs of aging and things. And what happens with CBD is CBD tends to bring the endocannabinoid system back into normalcy, which then reverses or tends to reverse all of these changes that we see in the skin. And that's why it seems to work so well.
Wonderful. We appreciate that. Annie, we're going to treat the body in two different ways, just like we do the entire body. We're going to do internal, exterior, exterior, internal. So we're treating the entire body. We're going to do a little product that has omega. So not only are you getting your daily doses of CBD, but you're also getting the correct amount of omega for your body.
Sure. So what do I do with this then?
Just snip off the top, kind of like a little ketchup pack.
Okay.
It's delightful orangey taste.
And do I take the whole thing?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Isn't that
Pretty good, yeah.
It really is quite tasty. Let me get rid of that trash for you.
Thank you.
And you know what I love about our facial products is I can refresh myself in the middle of the afternoon. It will not interfere due to that nanotechnology with your makeup. You're going to take, see if I can get all the little sticks in order here. You're going to take just a tiny amount. Actually, that little pea size will do your entire face. Try that.
Put it anywhere, like kind of under my eyes and under my...
I'm going to give you an under eye serum in just a moment that will just roll on. So try using it on your cheeks, maybe a little on the forehead. I'm using it as my day cream as well as my night cream.
Nice.
As you can see, it absorbs immediately.
Goes on really smoothly.
Good.
Get it all.
And you did. Okay. Doesn't leave a shine because of that nanotechnology. It actually absorbs, but it gives you a nice, fresh, dewy look for the remainder of the day. With your eye serum, this has a little roller top, and you're strictly going to roll it both under and over your eye. It has a tightening effect, and again, it moisturizes and softens any wrinkles.
Nice. Sounds good.
Thank you very much for coming in. We welcome you into any of our American Shaman stores for a free sample of our beauty and wellness products. True story.